This is a lovely time for me. It takes me back to the days when I worked in the workshop on my own, which for the first 10 years I did. Everything is calm. Everything is neatly stowed. And in this workshop, we just have one rule, really, which is everything has its place. Everybody knows where that place is. And nothing should be stored on any surface unless it's work in progress. Which, miracle upon miracle, everybody kind of buys into. So here we are of a weekend, various work. This is the apprentice's work. Olivia, she's just finished. 4 stools and they're destined for Holland. We're working on a piece for a most delightful client who's already purchased some desks from us. And this is in walnut. He is an American. And he's a great, I guess he's like a liaison between America and Britain. The nicest aspect of collaboration. Here, this is a set of chairs that are being made by Tom. Tom is really into his 4th year of his apprentice, I suppose. Over there we have Rick, who's developing a chair with me. It's called Poise, and it's ready for its sculpting. It's a sculpted chair. So it's made from identical components that are fixed together in a particular manner. And I really look forward to seeing that. Zach is working on these square bowls, which is just a batch that we're doing. Turning square bowls. Harry is working on a desk in elm with some neat compound curvature. Aspects that are quite tricky. And then over here, upside down, is a piece. It's a centerpiece table that I've designed for a customer in Salisbury to replace a fireplace. So it's a contemplative piece, but it's upside down at the moment, and made from laminated rippled ash. And in the middle of this hoop, turn the other way up, of course, will be this. And this is lovely. This is an end grain slab of oak. And if you're really up for it, you'll be able to count those annular rings and find out that you've got a tree that's nearly 200 years old. Rather beautiful. It's also rather cool because it's got a concealed light that will shine down on it. I'm looking forward to that piece. Olivia, the apprentice, who is 2 years in, will be in the 3rd year now. She'll be making one of these stacked tables that we're uplifting a bit. This one's made from elm. Not the best choice because elm's end grain is not as prominent as perhaps oak or ash. So we'll be making the end grain stack from oak, and we'll be putting in a glass shelf to make it a tad more practical. Up here, these were the saws that I bought in the middle 70s. When I thought, oh my gosh, if the bomb comes, we'll be left having to saw our own wood. And those, believe it or not, were my tools. Some of them. I've definitely hewn stuff with that adze. Used the moulding planes quite a bit, and of course the spoke shaves a great deal. The planes, not so much. Little rebate plane up the top, perhaps. A workshop in its weekend repose, poised, pregnant with expectation, awaiting to be brought to life by the makers who will occupy it on Monday. Bye.